Good morning, students. Today we are going to look at the story from the second lesson. The name of the lesson, Anbu and the Fish. Anbu was talented in catching fish. He always went to catch fish with Madan. They usually used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. Anbu also made fishing rods using sticks and thorns at home. Then they shared the fish equally. Unlike their friends, Anbu and Madan were always careful while fishing. They never went deep into the pond or river. Every Sunday they would go in search of earthworms to use them as bait. They enjoyed searching for earthworms. Once the bite was ready, they would go fishing. On Sunday, Anbu was not happy. They were able to catch only 3 fish. The fish were very small to cook, so they decided to grow the fish at home. Anbu filled the jar with the water and let the 3 fish into it. The fish exited and swam in different directions. Anbu thought the fish was hungry and dropped the earthworms into the jar. But to his surprise, the fish did not eat. He saw their eyes and could feel their fear. Next morning, he went straight to the fish jar from his bed. He saw only 2 fish in the jar. He searched for the fish everywhere. Then he saw 1 fish on the floor. Anbu was very sad, and his father consoled him. In the evening, his father got a new fish tank. Anbu changed the fish to the new tank. The next day, Anbu rushed back from school to the tank. He saw that 1 more fish was dead and floating on the top. He started crying. His father said, "These fish live in the river or lake. Nature is their home. It is best to let them be free." He saw the lost fish swimming alone, and he felt bad. He took the fish to the same pond and set it free. From then on, Anbu and Madan bought a packet of puffed rice and fed the fish. Feeding fish was their new hobby. Okay, students, do you understand the story? What do you think of the story? The moral of the story, that is, it must be where it should be. The creature we saw in the story, the fish. The river or pond where the fish lives. That's where it will live happily. Students, don't put anyone where they don't like. Next, see the supplementary. Choose the correct answer. First one, Anbu was talented in catching fish. Second one, every day they would go fishing. Sunday. Every Sunday they would go fishing. And third one, Anbu got dash fish this week. Only 3 fish this week. Fourth one, they use dash as bait. Earthworm. They use earthworm as bait. And next, they fed a fish with dash buffed rice. And next, answer the following questions. First one, what did they use as net? They used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. They used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. And second one, why was the fish floating on top? The fish was floating on the top because it was dead. It was dead. Third one, what was their new hobby? Feeding fish was their new hobby. Next, identify the character or speaker. First one, he set the fish free. Who is that? Anbu. Second one, grow the fish at home, Anbu. There is Madan. Third one, he bought a new fish tank. Anbu's father. Thank you.